Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 23, 2022. One star Sudoku. Fourth row. We have 3, 7, 6. The three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in any one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Then only two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. First grid, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another two cells. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Ninth row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row and ninth row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D and 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we get 7. Ninth row also we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. First grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6, 9. 9th grade. And column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. Column I, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Ninth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come any one of the cells. Ninth row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. 6th row and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 5 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6th row and 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5, 6. 6th row and 4th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 2 cells. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5, 6. 7th row, then column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 4th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. third row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. Column J, only one number remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Fifth row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.